Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. So the problem is battery draining issue is there in these earbuds. So I am going to replace the battery of both earbuds. So one I am going to show in this video, the other one I will do it. So this is the earbud. There is no glue on this, just we need to pry this out by half. So let me do that. So just by slowly prying this will come out. So you can see the mild glue is there, that's it, nothing major. So this is the earbud. So there are so many flux cables going around. You can see there is one here and this is one more here. So very tiny flux cables. If you want me to replace the battery of this type of earbuds, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. So you can send it through India Post, Speed Post Courier, so that from any part of India, India Post has access to all the pin code. So you can send it to me here in Bangalore. I can replace the battery behalf of you and I can send it back to you. So alright, let me do this further. We have to take it out. So let me pry this tiny flux cable here. So you can see this has come out. Now we have to take this out. Now we can pry the motherboard slowly, it will come out. So there is a clip here. So that clip we have to remove, then the motherboard will come out easily. So I'm going to keep this motherboard separately. So now we have to take out this. So there will be a screw here. Yes, you can see there is a screw here, so that we can take out this pink color housing out. So then we can have the access to the battery. So let me do that. So now I am going to take off this screw. So I have taken out the screw here. So I am going to keep this screw up safely. So now I am going to pry this pink color housing slowly. There will be clip here. Should not break the clip. Very carefully we have to remove. So this is how you have to remove the clip. So now you can see the battery is here. This is the battery. So this is a big battery. So let me keep this up safely. So this battery we have to pry it from this housing very carefully. So I am going to pry this. So battery will come out now. It is pasted using this small tape here. For insulation purpose the tape has been used, and as well as, so let's replace the battery. So the battery has been removed from this housing. So you can see the terminal. This is the negative terminal and the positive terminal is in the motherboard, that I will show you. So this point is the positive terminal, this is motherboard. So we have to connect our battery. I'm going to show you the battery which I'm going to use. So this is the battery I'm going to use. So this is almost same size, same quality battery and the same size. You can see this is the original battery. The size is perfect, 100% perfect, 100% of same quality, same mAh and same size. So I'm going to use this battery. So I'm going to solder these plus and minus into the earphone. So if you want me to replace the battery, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. You can send it to me through Speed Post Courier, India Post. That will be cheaper. So because India Post has access to all the pin codes, you can send it from anywhere to Bangalore. So I can replace the battery behalf of you. So there are so many other models in Samsung like Galaxy Buds, Galaxy Buds 2 and so many. This is Galaxy Buds Live. So this is a bit difficult model, quite challenging. You may end up breaking. So if you want me to replace, and you can use these earphones again. So if you want me to replace, you can send it to me. Again the buds will become brand new to use. So battery backup will be as good as brand new when you bought in the showroom. So please don't forget to message to this number. So I will be replying you. So alright, let me continue further. Please don't skip the video. Watch till the end. So it is quite challenging work here. So we have to do it very delicately. So alright. So now you can see I have soldered the negative wire inside that housing. So again plus I have to solder in the motherboard. So before that we have to place it in the housing here. So let me do that. Now I have kept the this pink color housing back to its place. We have to install the screw here. So let me install the screw. So you can see now I have installed the screw perfectly. The positive terminal is out. So now we have to install this positive terminal in the motherboard, so that the circuit will be closed here. So then we can install this flex cable. So I am going to install this battery wire here plus to the motherboard. So now you can see the red wire. The red wire is going to the positive terminal of this motherboard. Now just we have to position this motherboard properly, because wire is there. We have to take care of the seatings of this housing. This motherboard should sit properly in this housing, then we can close the outer housing. So now I have positioned the motherboard properly. Very delicate flex cable is there. We have to install this. So I have installed the flex cable here. So that's it. It should start work now. So let me put this in the case and light should come here. So that means it will start charging. So you can see red light is coming. So it is working and it is charging now. So alright, similarly I have to replace the battery of the other side. I am going to do that and I will give you a quick demo after replacing the battery here. So before that I want to close this housing here properly. So let me simply keep this and press the lock here. That's it. You can see it has been positioned properly. So both earbuds are fixed. You can see both earbuds are charging. One by one I will show. So if I put this, light will come here. So it is charging. Now I am going to take this out. Now I am going to put the left one. You can see red light is coming. So it is started charging. Now I will show the pairing also. So Samsung Galaxy Buds Live has been connected. So 79% is the battery. So alright. So that's it. I'm going to put this in the case. So if you want me to replace the battery of this type of earbuds, this is Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. Please do message on the above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. So I can replace batteries behalf of you. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon. And write comment in the comment section below. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel, AudioViz 360. If you like the videos, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.